not no gunner, but them young thugs are on my team. My Migo died, I feel like Quavo. When I take off, I hope you see. Dreaming of Rex all in my future. I keep hitting Lotto in my sleep. Who fucking with me? I feel like they talking the way that I'm giving these niggas the beat. Where I come from, they'll kill you for 3 stacks. I ain't talking Andre 3000. I couldn't even spend my 50 cents cause they breaking and robbed the candy lady's house. I used to be next to my bae like Jay-Z. Then she cheated and I sent her bouncing. I been running it up since a young boy. Was looking for me like Great Nigga Mountain. I'm a young, humble beast. I don't even like to cuddle, they can't even touch me in my sleep, I ain't never had nothing, but I still split that with my team, Finna run up so much money, I gotta grab it with both hands. It look like I'm tryna sweet, 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 yeah, sweet, 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 yeah. I stay with blue faces like DDG, Polo G. Through the pain, ran up them racks just to pop out with the finer things. No TIP, son, been fighting with my daddy, I feel like king. I needed you and you wasn't there, just like J. Cole and the Drake beef. They did me shady, still stacking up Eminem. I make my money ASAP like Rihanna niggas. 7 p.m. Friday was turn with my niggas, I don't need no Glorilla. My heart been blacker than Kodak ever since I lost my bro to that drug addiction. But he ain't dying in vain cause I'm pure cocaine on all of these instruments. I'm a young, humble beast. I don't even like to cuddle, they can't even touch me in my sleep, I ain't never had nothing, but I still split that.
Make me who I was. Not what I become.
Keep putting in that work.